Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vilesh and PANCHAPEETA, and today I am going to tell you about Mars. Can you breathe on Mars? Mars have an atmosphere, but it is 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere, and it have very less oxygen. The atmosphere of Mars is mainly made up of carbon dioxide. An astronaut on Mars will not able to breathe. He should wear a special space suit with oxygen tank to work outdoor. Who discovered Mars? Galileo Galilei. The first telescopic observation of Mars was by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Within a century, astronomers discovered more things in Mars. Who first landed on Mars? Mariana 9 was launched successfully on Mars on May 30th, 1971 and became the first artificial satellite to arrive Mars. It arrived and went into Mars orbit. NASA's project found a place in history when it became the first mission to land a spacecraft safely on the surface of another planet. Can you plant trees on Mars? You just have to compress the atmospheric pressure into a greenhouse and plant them in soil that has been filtered off Mars. The salt that's toxic to higher life. The ground isn't suitable for plants. There aren't enough minerals and there are no water. And if there are little liquid, they will be extremely salty. Why it is important for Mars? After the Earth, Mars is the most habitable planet in our solar system due to several reasons. Its soil contains water to extract. It isn't too cold or hot. Gravity on Mars is 38% that is of our Earth, which is able by many to suffocate our human body and adapt to. How much cold is Mars pole? Southern pole. On average, the temperature on the Mars is minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, means minus 60 degrees Celsius. In winter, near the poles, temperature can get down to minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit, means minus 125 degrees Celsius. Is there any oxygen on Mars? Yes, there is. Did you surprised? But don't think we have more oxygen in Mars. We have only 0.1% of oxygen in Mars. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.